In a small village nestled between towering mountains lived a young man named Rami. He was frail and often the target of ridicule, but Rami had a heart full of determination and a mind sharp with ambition. Despite his physical weakness, he possessed a quiet strength that few could see. One fateful day, as Rami wandered through the forest, he stumbled upon an ancient scroll hidden in a hollow tree. The scroll contained the secrets of a long-forgotten martial art known as the shadow wind technique, reputed to be both deadly and clandestine. Intrigued and desperate to change his fate, Rami embarked on a solitary journey to master this lethal art. Years passed and Rami's dedication bore fruit. He transformed his frail physique into a formidable weapon, honing his skills in stealth, speed, and precision. What once seemed an impossible dream was now his reality. His training complete, Rami returned to his village, but not for peace. He had scores to settle and a friend to avenge. His childhood friend, Tariq, had been brutally murdered by a powerful warlord named Malik, who ruled over the region with an iron fist. Malik was feared by all, but Rami's heart burned with the fire of vengeance. One moonless night, Rami infiltrated Malik's fortress. The guards were no match for his shadow wind technique. They fell one by one, silent shadows in the dark. Rami moved with lethal grace, his every step guided by years of relentless training. He finally confronted Malik in his opulent chamber. The battle was fierce, but Malik's strength was no match for Rami's speed and skill. With a final, decisive strike, Rami avenged Tariq's death. As dawn broke, the villagers awoke to a new world. Malik's reign of terror had ended, and Rami was hailed as a hero. However, his journey didn't end there. Amidst the chaos, Rami had encountered Leila, Malik's beautiful and kind-hearted daughter. Unlike her father, Leila was compassionate and gentle, and she had long lived under the shadow of her father's cruelty. Her grace and resilience captivated Rami. As weeks turned into months, Rami and Leila grew closer. Their bond was tested by the villagers' prejudice and Leila's combating her father's dark legacy, but their love blossomed against all odds. In Leila, Rami found not just love, but redemption, a chance to heal and build a future untainted by the past. Together, they worked to rebuild the village and bring lasting peace to the land. Rami had not only avenged his friend, but had also found a path to a brighter and more hopeful future with Leila by his side.